Hi, in this video, I would like to discuss about mid function. So mid function is used to extract data from different word to one word. Okay, so suppose we have three words name like Rajesh, Kumar, Singh. Rajesh is a first word, Kumar is a second word, Singh is a third word. So you need to pick here Kumar. So how we can apply the mid function? This topic I will cover further, but before going to this topic, I will let you know how we can apply basic mid functions. So first go through the definition part. Mid function extract substring from string. From string means suppose you have Rajesh Kumar Singh. This is a string. From this string, you have to pick the substring. This is a Kumar, which is called substring. Or you can take Singh. This is also a substring. Only one part of the these three names I will pick. That is called substring. So this function has three arguments. So see here, your first argument is text, second argument is start number, third argument is number of characters. Okay, so here I have given one example for mid. Mid in text I have passed training. Here I have taken the start number fourth character. So fourth character is 1, 2, 3, 4. I is a fourth character. So from I, you have to pick two more characters, two characters. This is a how many characters you want to pick. From fourth character, I have to pick two character more. So 1, 2. I n will be your output of this function. So let's see the practical approach, how we can do it. So here I want to pick mid name, but I will apply here basic mid function first. Mid, in mid function, you have first parameter as a text. So I'm taking here reference of Raj Kumar Sairawat, comma, start number means from which number character you want to pick the uh, mid name. So here I want to pick the mid name starting from fifth character. This is a fifth character. K is a fifth character. So you can check R, A, J, three character. Fourth is a blank. Fifth character is K. From K, I will start the pick mid name. So here I'm taking 5. And how many character you have to pick for mid name? Only K and R. So you have two characters. So I'm taking here 2, bracket close, enter. So that's fine for this name. But whenever I will drag this function, it will not work perfectly fine. So here I'm getting only HH, which is not right. So in next example, I will let you know how we can pick the mid name dynamically. So if you want to pick the mid name dynamically, then you will have to aware about the logic to pick the mid name. So in mid name, you have to pass three parameters. Your first parameter is text, second parameter is start number, and third parameter is number character. Okay. So these three parameters you have to pass to pick the mid name dynamically. Okay. So here I will pass these three parameters. But what is the logic of these three parameters? No logic in text. Only you have to take reference of this data. Enter. So this is the text. Start number you have to take after first blank. So how we can pick the how we can take a start number? So you have to take position of blank. So you have to apply here find function, inverted comma, space, inverted comma, comma, within text means here second parameter of find function is within text. So you have to take reference of this bracket close +1. Why I'm taking here +1? After picking the position of blank, you have to do +1. Then your pointer will move on. Start number character is K. Okay. then enter. See here, you are getting fifth character. And now number of character, how many character you want to start from fifth character? Only two characters. So I will take here two. If I talk about this one, so in this you have to pick five character, 1 2 3 4 5. And in this you have to pick six characters. So here I will take 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so what is the logic? So in this number of character, you need to take position of second space. Okay, position of second space, how we will take? So you will have to apply double find. Double find means, why I'm applying here double find? So I'll let you know. First, I'm just applying find, comma, I'm finding space position. That's why I have taken space. Is within text, you have to take reference of this text, comma, start number. For this start number, you have to start finding from this k, from this p. So how we can pick the start number? So you will have to apply here one more find, blank. Then you have to take reference of this again, bracket close plus 1. So for this find, for this find, start number is giving this find. So if you want to pick the position of second space, then your start number should be after first find, first blank. Okay, so see here, I'm getting second space position. So after taking second space position, you have to do bracket close minus first space position. Again, you need to apply here blank, and you have to take comma. Now I'm taking first space position. For first space position, you have to take within text as it is, this one, bracket close, enter. Now this is the correct logic to pick the mid name. So here in text I have passed the this data reference, start number. For start number I have taken the position of blank plus 1. So you can see here position of blank plus 1. And for start number, logic is second space position minus first space position. Okay, so this is the actual logic for number of character. This is the actual logic. Second space position minus first space position. Same thing I have applied. This is the function to pick the second space position, minus this is the function which will give you first space position. Here I have taken the minus second space position minus first space position. So you are getting 3. But here I need to pick only 2 characters. So I'll let you know how we can take only 2 characters. If you want to take exact 2 characters, then you will have to take here minus 1. See here, now I'm getting 2 character. If you do not apply here minus 1, no issue. Take it 3 character. Then you have to take, if I pick 3 character from starting number, this one, 1 2 3, then I will get extra space. If you want to remove the extra space, then you will have to use the trim function. I'll let you know how we can apply the trim function. The logic of start number is first space position minus first space position plus 1. First space position plus 1 is a k. So here I'm just writing the logic. First space sp position minus no, first space position plus 1. This is the actual logic of start number. So these 3 part I will cover here together. So let's see how we can do it. So you need to apply here mid function. First parameter of mid function I have taken here. So same output, same reference I will take from here, comma. if for a start number, you have to take position of blank plus 1. So you need to apply here, find blank position reference bracket close plus 1. Okay, comma number of character. For number of character, you need to take second space position minus first space position. Find blank position, then you have to take reference of this, comma, again find blank, comma, then you have to take reference of this, bracket close plus 1. Then again you have to close the bracket. So this is the second space position. These two finds are giving me second space position minus first space position. For first space position, you need to apply only one find. So here I'm taking blank, and then you have to take reference of this data. So this is the data, bracket close twice, then enter. Now you are getting mid name dynamically. So this is the output of mid name. But here I'm getting one extra spaces. See here, I'm just pasting as a value. So see here, I'm pasting as a value. Now you can see extra space you are getting. So see here, you are getting extra space. See here, you are getting extra space. So how we can remove this extra space? So you need to apply here trim function before mid function. So here I'm just applying trim, bracket close here, then enter. So see here, you are getting this one. Copy and paste here. Done. Now you can see. Done, done, done. Okay. So this is the approach to pick the mid name. So that's all for this video. How we can pick the mid name. I have applied this function. This function is little bit big function and logical function. So you have to do multiple practice, then you can easily understand this function. Otherwise, it's difficult to understand. So practice is key of this function to understand. Thank you so much for this video.